when we first built these airplanes, we were using like totally off-the-shelf components for the hover system, and it sounded like, a cloud of the angriest mosquitoes or wasps or whatever. Like it was bad. It was it was objectively loud and like unpleasant. And so we invested a lot of time and energy in custom rotors for the hover system so that it was more pleasant sounding, it was lower decibel levels. If you look at the props, there's like one blade is longer than the other, and those are so that they both make their own tone and the tones interfere with each other. And there's lots of science that went into the hover motors.